concepts. If you are new to my channel, please do it to subscribe and wait for more videos. Turn your notification bell. So in this video, I will teach us the easy way to make your zipper, to insert your zipper after piping, invisible zip. Alright, so this is the fabric I'm using. So first of all, I'll measure my shoulder down, which is the overlapping 2 inches I have there. So I will try to get it also a 2 inches from this very place. So before that, you need to iron very well. So after the ironing, I will take down my 2 inches measurement size. So I will fold the upper side from there. Alright, it is the back that overlap to the front. So I will iron very well. Okay, so this is it. But before that, I have already made a video on how to go about your neck. So right now I will fold the other part very well. So you should make sure you arrange very well before you fold to avoid making mistakes. So the fabric I'm using is very thick. Okay, so let's work on that. Alright, we've done how to get our label fixed and our background, as you can see there, is all there, and how to trim your senator neck. So you should also still wait for my video on how to get a proper neck measurement. Okay, proper neck measurement. So this video is for the review on this senator neck piping and zipper fixed. So you should make yours very okay and better. So right here, right now, this is what I have. I've done my piping because we've done that earlier on our previous videos. We've done a lot on it. So this is the piping. So this is the back. It's all okay. Right. So this is my zipper. You should make yours more round or perfect. So let's do some stitching. So I'll be using my zigzag, my blackhead machine. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to get the side that will be okay for the front, just like this, but I unzipped because the zipper stopper might disturb me at the process. So this is what I'm doing. I'm using my blackhead machine on this one so that it won't be cheating. Okay, it won't be cheating. If you have this machine, you can use it as well. It's possible with it. So you should try to be very careful in order not to stitch your zipper. So I'm trying to get the line, as you can see, just like this. You have to make it till you go down. All right, so I will stop somewhere and zip up. All right, for me to have a proper lining, because it's still disturbing. Okay, so you have to zip up now, just like this. Remember, we turn the zipper just like this. As you can see, is now showing the back side. Okay, so this is it. You make your stitching till down, align with the line you ironed. All right, the line you folded with, it should be on top of it. This zipper, invisible zipper, is not this type that you can't see the zipper at all. Okay, you can see the line of your zipper just like this. Okay, it's not that closed. So this is it, and this is the other side. We'll be doing the same thing, but before that, you need to get the straight line of this very side. You need to get a straight. So in order to get a straight line, you have to mark. Okay, mark for you to have this straight line of it. So one side won't be taller or longer than the other, or to the other side. So this is it. So I've gotten it, and I have to make my stitching now. So I still have to unzip so it won't disturb me. So most times this stuff is very stubborn. Most times There are times you break your needle. Actually, mine broke here, so I have to face it. Okay, I'm going down now on it. So I have to zip up now. Sorry, I have to zip up. As you can see, we're heading somewhere. We are getting it. So as you can see, they are now equal. Yeah, I've zipped it up. They are now equal. So this is what I have on the back side. Right. So I have to turn now for me to stitch properly using the zipper line. Okay. So that my foot will be on top of the zipper line, just like this. Okay, to have a proper balance while stitching it together. Sorry. Okay, so let's go. So this is just for the beginners and for those of us that don't know how to make this. Believe it's useful. Please do what to like and subscribe to my channel and wait for more quality videos. Right, please subscribe and drop a comment if you love this video. Okay, just like this. Believe we are done with the zipper actually, but there's something left. Okay, you have to hide the edge of the zipper, so this will also help us in doing that. So this is it. This is what I will do. I will have to fold. I opened it and fold, then close it back, just like this. So you have to tack it together so that it won't be able to pump up again, just like this. So this is the area that will break your needle, okay, depending on the needle you're using. So my broke. So I've done that aspect, that side, and I'm doing this side as well to have a nice finishing. Okay, the back is already thicker, so it will break the needle. Okay, so just this stuff. Okay, it's very simple to get your zipper fixed, but most time difficult for us that don't know how to use it. Okay, so you just have to make yours very okay. So this is what I have. Okay, so this is what I have. So let me zip up now. So I have my invisible zip fixed on my piped neck collar neck. So if you like this video, if you love it, please begging, subscribe, like and comment, and wait for more quality videos. Okay, this is what you have. Believe me, you can do more than this. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Wait for your logo, it's coming as well. Thank you.